Over the past few years, the Hong Kong catering industry has faced serious problems. The wave of closure made it hard for them to survive. Due to the past pandemic devastation, these small enterprises had debts and they were not able to afford the high land rents. It forces them to shut down. Besides, the shrinking market demand also takes a heavy toll on this industry. The immigration wave as well as the increase in the attractiveness of mainland market both decrease the demand for catering shops in Hong Kong as it is substituted with the mainland catering shops. As a result, less people consume in local restaurants.
Due to the better service and lower prices in the mainland market, people in Hong Kong will tend to consume more in mainland markets. The demand for Hong Kong catering service decrease, and more Hong Kong shops will shut down. Besides, due to economies of scale, the mainland China brands will open branches in Hong Kong, offering lower average costs of production. Consequently, the prices of goods will also be lower. These brands from mainland China will act as substitutes of the catering service of Hong Kong and replace the shut-down Hong Kong shops, further worsening the problem of the waves of closures.
During the pandemic, the price of raw materials increased. Supply of products in Hong Kong decreased as the cost of production increased. This also contributed to the closure of shops. Regarding the economy, as the catering and retail workers are derived demand of shops, the catering and retail workers will become unemployed when the demand for local shops decreased. With more shops shut down, the unemployment rate increases. To society, there is a loss in output and people's living standard will decrease. To the unemployed, their income will decrease. As a result, private consumption expenditure decreases.
To solve the problems of the wave of closures, the government should put efforts trying to encourage local consumption, such as providing discounts and consumption vouchers. These economic incentives can attract tourists or local people to consume more in Hong Kong. As a result, the demand for goods in local shops will increase, so producers can have higher revenue by the increase in the quantity transacted of the products or services. Besides, the government can provide production subsidies to catering shops. This helps lower their production cost and increase the supply of catering services. Price level decreases while quantity transacted will increase. Also, catering services often face elastic demand, meaning consumers are sensitive to price changes. Percentage increase in quantity transacted will be greater than the percentage decrease in price level. Hence, total expenditure will increase as well as producers' revenue. This helps catering shops to operate. Moreover, subsidies can help cover fixed costs, such as rent and equipment, allowing businesses to remain operational even during periods of low revenue. This prevents waves of closures.
To conclude, it is more often to see more closing of shops due to consumers shifting to the shops in mainland China, which have lower prices and better quality, which indicates their consumer surplus is higher for consuming in mainland. In order to maintain and attract more customers, it is suggested that the Hong Kong government should help the enterprises in Hong Kong and try their best to show the values of the Hong Kong economy. This raises the value of local services and make the goods and services worth a higher price, encouraging the Hong Kong citizens to come back and consume.